Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So here we are in the part 3 of AWS. So basically in the last video I have explained you about how to add a user in IAM and how to give that particular user in a group that I have created previously itself, and I have added that particular person in that group. Then we move ahead, then we uh, use the MFA code here. So I talked a lot about MFA, but I forgot to describe you what basically MFA is. So MFA is not very big thing. It's a multi-factor authentication where you have to provide your password and there is a verification code in your phone. So for that you have to install a Google Authenticator, and while you install that, in the last video I have shown you how to scan and how to set up your user by using MFA. So you just need to follow those steps and you are ready to go. So MFA, in this you have to first enter your password, then you have to write your MFA code, then you are directly logging into your account. So yeah, let's see. Now in this video we're gonna talk about what basically S3 is. So if we go to image section, and so you will heard lot about this bucket. What basically bucket is? S3 bucket. So bucket is nothing but it's a storage device. S3 is known as simple storage services in Amazon. So S3 mean three S's are there, so that's why they called as S3, simple storage service. So yeah, and if you go to AWS console, and otherwise you can go and search here S3, or otherwise it will pop up here, or otherwise you can go to services and you can find S3 here. So you can see in the source section we have S3, and there are a lot more services are there. For compute we have containers, for robotics, for blockchain, satellite, and like databases. We have lot of services are there. So as per your requirement you can use these services. So we need S3 right now, so we'll go and search S3 and click this part S3. So yes, we are right now in S3, and I have some of the bucket itself, so doesn't bother about that. I will try to create a new bucket for you guys so that you can like know how to create a bucket, how to add the data inside the bucket, how to do the bucket publicly accessible. So yeah, let's create a bucket here, and I want to create bucket as a test. Yeah, so my region is US East Ohio, so I will keep it as, so I don't want to change this copy settings, so I doesn't want to choose any bucket. I will try to create block all public access, so remove this. So I want to create all the public accesses, so that yeah, and you have to take that, yeah, you are taking all the guarantee that you are like making it public, so that if any data loss occurs, so it will be your it will be your problem, it none of the AWS concerns. It's like that. And bucket versioning, so what basically bucket versioning is, like if I have a data like let me open like paint. I have something called like, if I have written something like A W and S. So if I have a file in which I have written AWS, and in the same I have uploaded this file in our S3 bucket, but if I have to change something, like if I have added 1 here, like my handwriting is not bad, I'm using mouse, so I don't have extra mouse, so yeah, bear with me. And so here I've written 1 and the file is same, but I have uploaded this file in our AWS cloud itself. So we have two files here having AWS, and in the next file we have AWS 1, but both the things are same. So that's called versioning. So if you enable the versioning, it will try to keep the previous version, and now the version you have uploaded itself, it will show you that that was the old version and this is the new version. If you disable it, it won't show you that it was previous. The recent one will be stored, the previous one will be deleted itself. So yeah, I will try to disable itself, so I doesn't want to, if you want to create a new video in versioning, so I will try to demonstrate the version in the upcoming video. So yeah, I don't need to comment, I will try to create a new video itself. So yeah, tag option, it's optional, so we doesn't need to add tag. And okay, let me like do some default encryptions here. So I can Amazon S3 key, it's okay. And in the advanced setting you can go object lock. So yeah, I doesn't want to lock the object here. Yeah, let's create the bucket user. Let's create a bucket now. So yeah, it's done. Yeah, the bucket is successfully created, and you can see that we have test user. And if you click this test user, you can see the functioning of create folder and upload. So we can upload the data here. So let's upload something. So we don't have any file, so add files. So click add files, and let me add some data, like it's a CSV file, so I will try to insert this data here. And as you can see that upload, yeah, the file is successfully uploaded, and you get that, see that we have data.csv here, AWS, then S3, and in that S3 we have created a bucket that call test user. Yeah, we have test user here, we have data.c. So I will click this part and I will try some actions here. I will try some action, and if I go below here and I will click make public, and I will click make public. So yeah, now it is publicly available, it is already public. So if I click this part, and so as you can see that here, if I click this link and I will try to paste this here and I will click enter, it should automatically download. Yeah, it is downloading, so it means it is public file. So yeah, I don't have to do it again. So I have made it public already. So yeah, by this you can add an S3 bucket, you can make the data inside that public, and let's add some more data and have fun. So let's go to Amazon S3. This is S3. Inside that bucket that we have already created, cal test user, and let's upload some data like upload. Okay, we need to add file here. Here we have some machine learning books that you should read also. So I'm trying to upload this machine learning or oral books. So yeah, and you can go here, click this part, and you can grant the permission from itself. Here itself you can choose private, grant, public, read access. You can click here and click I understand. Properties, storage is standard. Okay, see here, if we are using standard, because it's like it is having no particular restriction here. And if you are trying to use other kind of storage class like glaciers, standard 1A, intelligent tier, so it will provide you 30-day, but it's free, but it's for 30-day, and others are per GB fee will be applied. So yeah, we don't have to apply any fee. So apply an encryption, and yes, encryption key is this one, and others are optional. Just click upload. Here our file is successfully uploaded. We can click this file, and you can see that this is publicly available. So if I click this link, and if I go and if I paste this link here and I click enter, it should start downloading, or otherwise it should open. Yeah, it's opening. Here you can see that it's a very great book to read, and some machine learning with scikit-learn, keras, and tensorflow. So yeah, you can read it out. I will put the link in the description. So yeah, that's all for this S3 bucket. We learned here how to create an S3, how to upload the data in S3, how to make the data publicly accessible, and we have learned like how to do versioning, what this versioning means, and how we can provide the link and copy paste the link to open that particular thing, so that we can know that the things are public or not. Yeah, that's all for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and meet you in the next video. Thank you, and have a nice day to all. Bye.